Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off shortcut button on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. Okay, let's get to the tutorial. First thing first, you can go to the settings menu. After that, here you can scroll down. And then you can select accessibility menu. And then here you can tap advanced settings. And choose the first option. After that, here you can tap this option. And then remove deactive tools like this. Okay, and then the accessibility shortcut button on your device is successfully turned off. That's the tutorial on how to turn off shortcut button on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.